October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Ladies, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Pink Breast Centers are offering 3D mammograms featuring artificial intelligence.
Pink utilizes the best technology for more accurate diagnosis.
Less compression.
Pilates class, it can wait. Work meeting, that can wait. Whatever it is, it can wait. Because breast cancer doesn't wait.
Breast cancer doesn't wait.
Breast cancer doesn't wait.